갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Secrets Organic. If today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Today I'm going to be answering some questions. Yes, please, most of you that always come to my WhatsApp to ask me questions, I always say this: my WhatsApp is for business. If you want to buy my products, if you want to join the online training class, please, WhatsApp is for business. Always leave your comments below the description box, and I always, you all know that I always return comments, I always reply comment, please. But I'm just going to take out my time. I wrote out all the questions. I'm going to answer everything here. So though it's not everything, I just pick few that I will be able to answer because the video is going to be too much. You guys ask a lot of questions. Somebody will just write me on WhatsApp. I will be thinking this person wants to buy my product, and the next thing is question. Okay, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. So let's start with question 1. So this person is she's called Beatrice. Yeah, she's called Beatrice, and our first question is Ma, can I use my body lotion on my face? No, darling, you cannot use your body lotion on your face. That is why it is called body lotion and face cream. You cannot use it. Please get your body cream, your body lotion, and get your face cream. You cannot use it, please. And the other person said, Ogogo, can I use any oil to formulate my product? Yes, you can use any oil to formulate your product, but the trick is you have to use oils according to your skin type so that you don't end up clogging your pores. Please, you can use any type of oil, but make sure to use oils according to your skin type. We have oils for sensitive skin, we have oils for acne prone skin, for oily skin, we have oils for normal skin and dry skin. So you can use any oil of your choice, but it should be according to your skin type. So the other question is NJ. Okay, NJ. The other person said, how do I start skincare business through formulation? My darling, how do you start? Okay, how do you start is by is by going for training. That is the only way you can start, because you cannot go into formulation through YouTube videos. Most of these YouTube videos, they are misleading. Okay, most of all these YouTube videos, they are so misleading. Please, the best way to start is to get a training. So that is my advice for you, and that is my answer. So I hope you're satisfied with this answer anyway, because I cannot sit down here and be telling you have to do this, do that. The best thing is just go for a skincare training. So for Kazan. So Kazan said, should I sell pure organic or promising? Okay, darling, if you should sell pure organic or promising is depending on you. You should know your niche when it comes to marketing, selling of products, making of products. The first thing you have to think about is knowing your niche. Know what your customers likes. Yeah, know what they like most. If you're having more customer that wants promising, then you can stick to promising, or rather I will advise to do both of them, because there are some customers that they will want promising, and there are some customers that will want pure organic. So you can do both of them if you can. Yeah, if you can, then both of them are just okay. Yes, so you can sell organic and you can also sell promising. So the other question is Blessing. Okay, Blessing said, what can I use to restore back my bleached skin? Okay, yeah, I have received this question a lot of times. To restore back your bleaching is going back to organic. Leave missy cream alone. That is the best way. Go back to organic. Organic is going to take you dark. It's going to make you dark, no problem. But it's going to restore your spoiled skin. Go back to organic. Then you can start with inorganic in a very safe way. Yeah, that is the way you can restore your bleached skin. Just go back to organic. Informer said, what is the difference between face cream and body cream? Yeah, face cream is face cream, body cream is face cream, body cream is body cream. Okay, joke aside. So, darling, face cream is always the ingredients they use in making face cream, they are always concentrated, yeah. And there are things that are meant to target dark spot, because you hardly see someone that have dark spots on the skin, on the body, you know, like acne on the body. So their face is always complicated, so they always use concentrated ingredients to make a face cream. And face cream are things that are, the ingredients are not supposed to be harsh, yeah, so that they don't give you sunburn, they don't give you more problems on your face. So a face cream is just gentle, you know, gentle, and it's not heavy. It's not supposed to be heavy, and it's not supposed to be too oiling. So, because sitting down here to be answering questions, it's really not easy, you know. If you're in my class, I can, yeah, have the time to really explain further. So the other one, Elizabeth, what is the difference between lotion and cream? Okay, a lotion is a very light cream. Yeah, a lotion is a very light cream. It has a very light texture, while cream is very heavy. So mostly cream are for dry skin people. Cream is very heavy. The oil phase of the cream is more than the water phase of the lotion. And in the lotion, the water phase is more than the oil phase in the lotion. So a cream is heavy, while a lotion is really, really light. You know, something you apply on your skin, and before you see, everything will just go off. But a cream will still remain on your skin. You will still be seeing that oiling feeling on your skin, and it's very thick. Okay, let me just, a cream, if you buy a cream in the market, something you can use your hand to cut, you cut it like this and you rub, that one is a cream. But if you buy a lotion, the one they press is liquid, is running, that one is a body lotion. So Hope said, can I use body butter on my face? Don't try it, I beg, please. Not go there. Don't try it. Using body butter on your face, don't go there, please. The other person said, what essential oil can I use to formulate my, what essential oil can I add to my formulations? Okay, you can use essential oils according to what you are making. We have a lot of essential oils, so do not depend on the aroma, because this one have a very sweet aroma, this one have a very nice smell, you know. Don't depend on that. You have to focus on the ingredients. We have you have to focus on the benefits. Sorry, we have essential oils that help in dark spots. We have essential oils for acne skin. We have essential oil for stretch marks. So depending on what you are formulating at that moment, that is the kind of essential oil you're going to add to it. So the other person said, is promising safe or skin? Promising, is promising safe? Okay, you mean promising? Okay, if promising is safe or skin, yes, it depends. We have dangerous promising and we have safe promising. So if you are making the safe promising, no problem, it is very safe to use on the skin, right? So maybe one day I'll be doing a safe promising lotion for you guys. So Yema, so Yema, I hope I'm pronouncing these names well. Yema said, I have acne that refuse to go. What can I use? Okay, darling, we have hormonal acne. We have some acne that is just coming from your blood. We have acne based on your diet. Yeah, we have so many kind of acne. So if your acne is refusing to go, and we also have what is it called, oiling prone skin. Like there are some people that are prone to acne. Me, I'm very prone to acne. You know, my acne will come, I will cure it, it will go, and it will come back again. If your own is even refusing to go, you know that one is hormonal or diet, or that one is in your blood. So just try to take what is it called, supplement. We have a lot of supplements. We have what is it called, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega. Try to add supplements to your routine. So the other person said, how much do I need to start a skincare business? How much do you need, darling? I really don't know. I did not start with a lot of money. I start with just little, because one thing about skincare formulations or buying of skincare ingredients, you can never stop buying, because every day there is new ingredient that is coming up. So you keep buying, darling. There is no specific amount. Okay, this is the last one. Love B. Can I use essential oil directly on my face? No, go there, please. Don't use essential, not even on your face, on your body. Do not use essential oil on your body. It must be diluted. You can add it into your carrier oil. You can add it into your formulations that you're making, or your finished formulation. And essential oils must be used in percentage. They have their own right amount of percentage. Yeah, even there are some people that are allergic to essential oil, like pregnant women. They are not even supposed to use essential oil, right? So essential oil cannot be used on your skin directly. So I answered 30 questions. I still have a lot of questions, but man, it's okay for today. So in another video, maybe I can try to answer more questions. But please, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section, not on my WhatsApp, because my WhatsApp really is for students and for my clients. If you're coming just to ask questions, I will get confused. I will not know who is my student. I will not know who is buying something. So I hope I'm able to answer these questions. And if you have more questions, you can leave it below the description box. I'm just going to copy it out, and I'm going to make another video on that. So guys, thanks for today's video. I hope you find this video very helpful. You can save this video on your phone so you can replay it again. Yeah, you can replay it again, because I talk so fast. So most of you will be like, what is she saying? She talked too much. Yeah, I talk too much because I talk so fast. So guys, bye, and see you in my other next video.